Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today friends, I will be showing you how to make this delicious and tasty Chinese chilies with chicken recipe. The ingredients are 1 washed baby chicken, half kg Chinese chilies, 2 medium onions chopped, 2 tomatoes chopped, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. The spices are 1 tablespoon red chili powder, 3/4 tablespoon salt, half tablespoon garam masala powder, 1/4 tablespoon turmeric powder, and 1 tablespoon cumin, coriander and black cardamom powder. Add half cup of oil and cook your onions till it's light brown. Add ginger garlic paste and cook for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, add your chopped tomatoes and mix well. After 5 minutes, add your spices, mix well, and add some water so the spices don't burn. After 3 minutes, add the chicken. And mix well. And cook for 15 minutes. Slice the Chinese chilies. All the Chinese chilies has been sliced. And now I'm going to go back to my chicken and put this inside. After 15 minutes, the chicken is cooked. And now add the Chinese chilies. And mix well. Put the lid on and cook for 15 minutes and mix between every 5 minutes. Flame medium to low. After 15 minutes, my salad is ready. And now I'm going to sprinkle some green coriander on top. Cook for 2 minutes. The salad is now ready and now I'm going to dish it out. I've dished it out and it looks absolutely amazing. And now all that's left to do is enjoy it with some roti or some paratha. And I'll see you all in my next video. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe for more videos. and check out my previous videos.